Hi, I'm Kamakshaya. In this video cast, I'm going to talk about how to set up Eclipse IDE. In my previous video cast, I've explained how to set up Java language. So in order to set up Eclipse, we have to go to the downloads. If you search like Eclipse download, you'll get a link like this. So if you can straight away open the link without going here and there. So this is like this. You'll get. So now I'm going to save this somewhere in my computer. Yeah, I already have. I don't know where it is going. Okay, fine. So this will take a couple of minutes to download the whole file. It is, I think, close to 158 MB. That's it, not more than that. I'll pause my video and come back again. It had come to the ending. So shortly I'll be finishing download. It's taking too long to. Okay, now so open. What you need to do is you just right click and then run as administrator. I already installed Eclipse in my machine, so let me see if I can install again or not. How is that going to happen? I want to show you the context window. So how does that open options for setup? So unfortunately, it is taking too long. See, like this, it will open, and here we should be able to choose one of the options. I usually select Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Development. So this is a good option. You can also, usually you can go for Eclipse IDE for Java developer, something like that. But sometimes I also do. I also develop software web applications. So in which case, again, I have to install a special add-on for web development. So I don't want to do that. So I'll go for IDE for Enterprise Java, something like that. Now, so like this, it will come. So Java 21. This is the version which is going to. Now I see this is showing installation folder, something like this. I don't want to do all these things because I have already. You just have to press install. Once you press install, it will just go ahead and set up in your computer. I'm going to cancel this. So once you install Eclipse IDE, it is better to restart your machine. So after that, if you type Eclipse in your search Windows search window, so it will show you your machine will show you Eclipse IDE for Enterprise, something like that. Now I'm opening the IDE. At first, it will ask you like, do you like to open a workspace? Something like, say, this is workspace. I already have workspace in one created for my activity, but you can just accept the default thing. But it is going to the C drive. So it is if you want to change, you can just browse, press the browse button, and then create one some identify a place, a suitable place for Java development in your computer, and then use that. So for time being, I'm just going to use the C drive. Doesn't matter. So launch. Now, one important thing that we need to do is having selected the workspace. Created the workspace. My machine is very slow. You have to bear with me. So like this, it will open. You see, right top corner, you got something like Java here, and it is by default it is, but it won't be like that. See, usually it will be like this. The middle button is selected. See here, Microsoft Windows Defender is active. Okay, it's Now it is in enterprise edition mode. Some security things happening. Now, if you want to roll back to, you can just simply switch back to Java development. You can come back to Enterprise Edition, which is Enterprise Edition. See here, Enterprise Java Web Developers. If you switch, click this button, the last one. This, if you place the cursor over that button, it will show you Java. You can see that here. If you, so you can just, you can also press Open Perspective. Now it will show you all different perspectives to you. I want Java, so that is one way. So initially there will be only open perspective and then Java EE, because I have not downloaded this Eclipse IDE for Java development. I downloaded it for the enterprise, the web development. So that is why. But once you open perspective and use Java, the extra button will appear here. Now we are in Java perspective. You can just close this welcome button, and now this is how create Java project. I'm clicking create Java project. I just I demo project, and you see here Java standard edition 21 is being used. You have all the editions to select. By the way, I think I have 24, I guess, in my computer. I installed 24 Java in my previous webcast. I have shown you. Yeah, I have Java 24. Let's see. So how is that going to happen? Now create separate folder for source, and that it will take care of everything. We don't need to worry. And finish, or you can press next. If you click button next, um, there will be something like okay, fine, good. So let's finish this. On the left corner you will find your project folder, in which you have something called source, and a module is by default it is created. In Java, actually a module is collection of packages, unlike in Python. In Python, a package is collection of modules. So in Java we'll be creating packages inside a module. Okay, that we will do later. I mean, I will try to explain you what is a package and what is a module. I will be creating package in this video cast, but as far as modules are concerned, if time permits, we will discuss. Okay. Now what I need to do is click on this source, right click, new, and go for class. And here you see here source folder, demo source, yes, package. Here it will ask you like I use com dot, why com dot and all, demo. Or for time being I can just use demo. Okay, demo, and then so this is going to be public, the class. You see here you will find the C letter, and this class is going to be the part of demo, and the name of the class is going to be a test class, and then this class is public. And I want a main method here, public static void main method. That's it. For time being, I can just finish everything. If after that, you see here, a package is being created with a name demo, and then you got this class, test dot Java, and here you got the main method. Okay, so as far as Java is concerned, your class name should start with an uppercase letter. That is one convention which we should not forget. Now for time being in this, I'm just going to, if I say sys out control space, it is not coming. I think shortcut buttons for sys out control space, it's not coming. So we should see that we will not have this Yeah, it comes like that. Now it is double quotes. We cannot use single quotes in Java. I use hello world. So I do a lot of spelling mistakes. Now control say, if you just on demo, right click on demo, then run as have Java application. Now you see here, you'll get the output in the console. So bottom of the script, then the console gets opened, and in which you find your. So if you, I just want to make some numerical calculations. Control save. Then you can right click here itself and run as Java application. You'll get yeah, errors exit. I did spelling mistake. I told you I do a hell lot of mistakes. So right click run as or Java application. I think one. Yeah, three, something like that. So this is how you can set up Eclipse in your Windows machine and start writing basic programs of Java. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the new content.